family, welcome or welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, my name is selinazinchuk. My channel is every DIY natural hair and beauty. If that's something that interests you, come on and join the family. In today's video, I'm going to be mixing our 100% natural. That's exactly what my channel is about. Ingredients that are proven to increase your hair growth rate, moisturize your hair, and also take care of your scalp. If you would love to see exactly the various ingredients I will be mixing together, then please keep on watching. My first ingredient is my fresh aloe vera. I have a water that I'm going to soak it in for an hour. I need to show you guys exactly my aloe vera plants around my home because I have so many of them. And I'm so blessed that I don't have to go to the store each time to spend money to buy aloe vera because I grow it myself. Aloe vera contains something called proteolytic enzymes, which repair dead skin cells on the scalp. It also acts as a great conditioner and leaves your hair smooth and shining. It promotes hair growth, prevents itching on the scalp, reduces dandruff, and conditions your hair. I'm using half cup of black rice. And then I'm also using baby carrots. I will also be adding in chopped onions. We are going to add all of our ingredients together so we can boil them for about 10 minutes. I'm also going in with 1 tablespoon of horsetail herb. I will be adding in 3 cups of distilled water. Once you see that your ingredient color changed to this because of the black rice, you can now turn your stove off and leave it to cool down. I created a hair regimen for my daughter and myself. I will leave the various steps on the screen for you to see how I take care of her hair or my hair on wash day. Now, this treatment, I use it as a pre-poo treatment. If you haven't tried any of my other pre-poo treatment, this is something that I would recommend that you give a try because it left her hair feeling very soft and moisturized, and the benefits from all of these ingredients are so magical. So if you are suffering from baldness, if you are suffering from thinning of your hair, if you are having hair breakage, this is something that I would recommend that you give a try. My hair is 4B 4C. It's a different texture from my daughter here. But I also been growing my hair out with only DIY ingredients. And I'll also be using this treatment on my hair. So if you would love to see how it also work well on my hair, then make sure you stay tuned for my next video. The onion in this treatment can provide extra sulfur to support strong and thick hair, preventing hair loss and promoting hair growth. Applying onion to your hair or onion juice can increase blood supply to hair follicles, which in turn improve your hair growth. Carrots are packed with various vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants, such as vitamin B6, K, potassium, phosphorus. It can also grow your hair faster and thicker. Conditioning the hair with carrot is said to improve hair texture, making it shinier, smoother, and softer. Carrot also helps to prevent hair fall and hair loss by making the roots of your hair stronger at the scalp. This is a pre-poo treatment. You can store this in the fridge for 7 days. I'm also going to cover her hair up with a plastic bag, leaving the treatment on for a couple of hours. And then I will use my black soap shampoo. I also have that video on my channel. I will leave it down for you to check it out. After shampooing, I will go in with my homemade deep condition treatment and then put her hair in braids. If you love this video, please do not forget to give me a like, leave a comment down below, and subscribe. And I will see you in my next video. Bye bye.